So we are walking through the Belfairs woods, where we can see lots of trees, lots of birds, squirrels. There's one running around. There are two more chasing each other along that path. Yeah, so we can see a variety of activities going on. So come with me as we explore the woods. So today I have a walking buddy. What do you think about the Belfairs woods?
It's very pretty.
And?
Calm.
And?
Fresh.
Fresh, yeah. You can breathe in nice fresh air. Come with me and you'll be in a world of the imagination. Yeah, so we got the sand on the beach, but we've got leaves on the ground. It's good for fertilizing the earth. Today I saw a very unusual pigeon, and look, there is a bird, nice brown bird. It looks like the pigeon I saw today. There's a squirrel. I like to see them. There's the bird. I don't know. Look at it, lamb. Do you know? What type of bird is it? Look, look, look. Take a picture of it. It's beautiful. Can you see it? It's on the tree. Look. It's very beautiful.
Where's it go?
It's on the tree. I don't know if you can see it, but it's up there. Oh, I love them. Love to see them. We got an abundance of squirrels in this area.
Oh, a great spotted woodland.
That's the name of the bird?
Apparently.
That doesn't look like a woodpecker. Okay. Probably it is.
No, it's not. I don't know.
Okay, come on. It's a beautiful day. The sun is out. And we're going for an afternoon stroll. There it is again. I don't think it's a woodpecker. It's on the ground.
What bag do you take to school?
My handbag. So there are people walking around, enjoying the nature. This is a massive crow. Really big crow. He's just enjoying himself in the woods. Come. See the magpie? The magpies are so beautiful. In flight. In flight.
Asian magpie. Species of crazy days.
Oh, here we can see some horses, and yeah, I think this is the area that does the horse riding. So that's fun. And then you got these over here. Got the horse. They cover them even in the summertime. That's interesting that they cover them in the summertime. I know definitely they've got to cover them in the winter. But in the summertime as well. Alright guys, look what's in here. Can you guess what's in here? Let's have a peep. It's a spider. It's a spider.
What's a spider?
We're not going to trouble it, but that's a spider and it's home. Spider. Here is very calming. So I've stopped for a little break, and it just reminds me of Jamaica, of the different quiet spots where even though it's hot, you can sit down and get a rest in the woods. Very good. Very, very good. So I'm walking towards an area that they've cut carvings or sculptures in the trees. So come with me as we have a look at what these sculptures are. Oh, they've got badgers here. You can see a picture of a badger on the sign, and there is the sculpture in the tree stump. Okay, it's quite good though, good idea. And we can see the trail. I think over there is the river bit. Well, it's blocked off. We normally could go down here. Oh, we can, but we need to go over this side. Oh, there's what the badger looks like. So obviously they've got badgers here. Welcome to Belfairs Nature Reserve. We're gonna go and show you the river. Okay. So the river is trickling along. So let's see what we can find in this river. Can you see anything? Can't see anything so far. I'm gonna walk along here a bit and check it out. We can find anything in it. Okay. We'll walk along the river. You know, this river is the same river or stream that we see at Pritillary Park. Yeah, it's the same thing. It's a bit dirty, this bit. It goes along this section here. I'm trying to see if I can see any fish, but can't see any so far. There's some tiny flies. That's the most I can see so far. But it's a nice quiet area. Oh no! Oh no! I thought he was gonna flash me, you know. Oh no! Don't flash, please. Oh, that's why it's cloudy, because the dog went in it. That's why. Okay, let's continue walking. The dogs love to jump in this, you know, cool off. They love it. Love, love, love it. This mirror is full. Can you imagine when this is full? It's beautiful. Beautiful river trail. River trail along Belfairs woods. Okay.
This isn't the way to the park.
It is.
How do you know?
Let's walk. Oh no, there's a dog jumping in the water. So I'm going to end this video here. So could we like, share and subscribe to this channel, more vlogs. If you enjoyed your walk or you enjoyed watching me walking in this video today. Walk good.